Okay, this is our next project. This is either cedar or juniper. I bought it pre-created with this plywood on one end and this cylinder here, and it looks pretty good. Now you can see on this end it's got a date of November of '03. I believe that's when this was created, so it's pretty old, and obviously a 7-inch diameter. And it's got a knot there and a knot there, so we'll see how it is. It's definitely aged. So yeah, I forgot to mention that this had a center already drilled in it. I had to adjust it a little bit for my woodworm screw, but I've attached with a woodworm screw which goes a little bit into the cedar, but the 1/2 inch plywood is taking up most of that, so I think it'll be plenty strong, and it is going into the cedar a little bit. If it doesn't, well, we'll have to figure out what to do next. And you can see it's a little bit off center, but not too bad. Okay, I'm getting ready to turn this around. I said I was making a hollow form, but I'm basically not. I mean, it's going to be tapered a little bit. There'll be wider opening down here than it is up here, but it's not going to be where I'm reaching in a little hole to try and clear out a big jar. I think what I'm making essentially is a utensil holder that might go next to your stove. So it'll hold some number of spatulas or whatever. The opening on it's going to be, let's see, in the ballpark of 3.5 inches or so, and that'll hold some amount of stuff. So I've got it sanded here. I've got the tenon on this side, put the 4-jaw chuck on. I'm getting ready to flip it around. Okay, I have turned it around now. You can see my woodworm screw. I tend to leave them on for a little while just to make sure everything's nice and stable. It probably won't stay very long because in reality that cone will fit right into that hole, and so even if this isn't here, if I change my mind and want to reverse it, it's real easy to just go back to the 4-jaw chuck with the woodworm screw on the other side. So right now it's got a tenon over here and a woodworm screw sitting there, and I'm going to start removing this plywood and getting ready to hollow this out a little bit. Okay, I'm going to be putting Watco tung oil, and I'm kind of using this to finish it out. I'm probably going to switch to different finish. Tried and true is one possibility. So here we go. Well, there's my first coat. Okay, I've finished my latest project here. It's either a red cedar or juniper. I'm not sure. I think it's cedar, but it's not aromatic, but it is a nice red. It was pinker when before I finished it. It darkened up a little bit. My intent is this is a utensil holder for next to your stove or something. It's a little short, so, and I think it'll hold a few things. It's about 6 inches in diameter and 6.5 inches high. I got this at a garage sale, and they were labeled with the date that I think they were turned or started, because they were basically cylinders when I started. They're 20 years old, and so they're plenty dry. And I guess that's about it. Not too much to talk about here. They did turn out nice. A lot of pattern in the grain. The red is mixed in nicely with the light color. There's a few knots, and so it looks pretty good. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.